How to create an entire funnel from one product. In this video, we will tell you how. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Trying to recruit affiliates is a whole lot easier if you can offer 100% commission on the front-end product and 50% commission on each upsell. If you only have a front-end product, the profit potential tends to go down and it's a little harder to attract those affiliates. But what if you don't have any upsells to your product, and you don't want to create any either? Here are a few ideas. If you're selling software, you might offer a multi-site license or a developer's license as your upsell. For that matter, you can offer all three on the main sales page, and price it in such a way that nearly all of the buyers take the most expensive choice. For example, the plugin alone might be $29, the multi-site license might be $33, and the developer's license might be $37. Who isn't going to take the third option? I've seen sales go through the roof with this kind of offer, to the point where you don't need upsells because your conversion rate is so high. There's plenty of profit for you and your affiliates. Or let's say you're selling content, like a report, book or some videos. You might sell it outright on the main sales page, and then offer resell rights and PLR rights as your upsells. How about offering coaching as the upsell? Your main product tells them how to achieve the result they're looking for, and your first upsell is a series of calls to answer questions, and your second upsell is an email coaching service. And your second upsell is email coaching, and your third upsell is one-on-one coaching or even a we do it for you type of service. Even offering different formats can act as an upsell. Maybe your main product is a PDF report for $9. Your first upsell is the audio version for $12, and your second upsell is a video version for $29, discounted by $12 if they took the audio option and the full $29 price if they didn't. You don't always need to add more products for your upsells. Usually, there is something you can offer that takes almost no extra effort, such as the Word files for PLR or the rights to use the software on multiple sites. Or instead of additional products, you can offer more services, such as coaching calls, email coaching, and one-on-one coaching. Comment below your thoughts and share your strategies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will leave you in the description of our done-for-you funnel, the best way to start and learn with a high-converting funnel.